short vowels and consonants. This video presents the letter-sound relationships of the 5 short vowel sounds and 21 consonant sounds spelled with one letter. You will be prepared to read one-syllable words and short sentences. You will know 26 out of 70 English phonograms. Once you have memorised the short vowel and consonant sounds that are spelled with one letter, you are ready to read and write some words. The letters A, E, I, O, U are the vowel letters. I will now say the consonant sounds spelled with one letter. B, K, D, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. I have just sounded the consonant sounds spelled with one letter. The difference between vowel sounds and consonant sounds is the way they are produced in the mouth and throat. When sounding out consonant sounds, the airflow is interrupted or limited by the position of the tongue, teeth, or lips. Most of the letters of the alphabet spell the consonant sounds. So, 21 letters spell 21 consonant sounds. However, there are a couple that spell 2 consonant sounds. We will cover those later. Letter Y can spell a consonant sound and vowel sounds. You can spell I as in cry, E as in happy, and Y as in yell. Letter R becomes part of a vowel digraph to spell the sound This video covered the 5 letters that are used to spell the vowel sounds. The short vowel sounds A, E, I, O, A. When sounding out vowel sounds, the breath flows freely through the mouth. The throat is open and the air is not blocked. Remember, 21 letters spell consonant sounds. The letters Y and R can be used to spell a consonant and vowel sounds. When sounding consonant sounds, the air is interrupted by the tongue, teeth, or lips. This is how to read English, short vowels and consonant sounds spelled with one letter.